Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial we will see the practical process of RMA, that is Return Merchandise Authorization, and this is the part 1 of the video where we will see Customer RMA. So let's get started. So as we download this application from the Odoo App Store, we will see the application on our Odoo database. First of all, we will go to Settings, where we will go to Inventory, and we will set up the Customer RMA settings. Here we will select our source picking type and destination type from the drop down. And once it is set, we will go to the RMA application. So let's go back and go to RMA management. Here first of all we will go to the configuration. So configuration is set up over here. Here refund replace and no return replace is what we provide, and here is the action for the same. Now we will go and create RMA order. So let's go to customer RMA order. Let's create one new RMA order. Here we will select our sales order. So I'm selecting one sales order. We will define the subject over here. And now we will add the company over here from the drop down. We will select the sales channel. We will set the date as well and the deadline for RMA, that is after 2 days. Here is the responsible person. You can select the user from the drop down, and here is the priority. So once you set the priority, delivery order is compulsory to mention. Without delivery order, the things cannot go ahead. So we will select the delivery order that is associated with the sales order. Here the notes can be written over here. Take this, to again to accident. So this is my notes that I've mentioned over here. Now as we scroll down, we will see the details of delivery order that is fetched over here along with the invoice partner name, address, phone number and all the details. And now here are the invoice details. So this is the invoice details. Invoice is done for 3 of these products along with the quantities, and now we will select the RM action. So here we will see what we can do. Here you can select the reason from the drop down. First of all, we will replace this, we will refund this, and we will return replace. So wherever we have selected to refund it, which means that we will not have to send the items to the customer, so the amount will be refunded directly. So for the refund, no replacement is there, so no replacement product line will be generated. For the other two, that is replace and no return replace, the product line will be generated over here. As you can see, we will mention the quantities, we will mention the full quantities currently. So here are the quantities that we mentioned, and it will also have the quantity automatically populated. And here you can see the difference of both the items. So here is the difference. And once this is done, we will submit this. And on submitting the same, first step is to approve it. After approving, there will be no option to reject the particular RMA. So you cannot see any reject option over here. In case if you want to reject any RMA, you can do it before the approval state. So I'll show you the same. First of all, we will see this. Now the pickings is created, as you can see, after the approval. After pickings, we will validate this RMA order. On validating the same, a credit note will be generated for the refunded item. That is this one. We have selected to refund it. So a credit note for this item will be generated. So let's open the credit note and have a look. As you can see, credit note is generated. And the invoice is attached over here, the full invoice. Now if we go back, here is two pickings created, so let's open it. Here is inward picking and outward picking for the products that we are sending again to the customer, as a replacement is given over here. And this is how we can see that currently this is in the processing stage. So now the reject option is not possible as we have approved it. And now if the RMA is done, you can close this ticket by selecting this option of close. You can also send this by email. So as you go to send by email option, the PDF for the written order will be attached along with the details like this. You can also add the details like this over here. In case if you want to, the subject will be given over here as we mentioned above, and we can send this email to the customer. and currently I'm not sending it as this is the demo version. So this is how you can send the email. You can also print the RMA report directly from here. As you can see, here is the print report option. The PDF of the report will be generated. So here is the PDF with all the related details, the notes, replaced product, written products, and the reference number of the shipping, that is delivery order, is mentioned over here. And here are all the other details. Now I'll show you the rejection thing as well. So let me duplicate it one more time. We will add some same sale order. I will go click over here. So this done. We will go to select the reason, entity, and reason. Then get it. So submit, and here is the option to reject it. If you reject it, you will have an option to select the rejection reason. So product is not expectation. Now reject the claim. So as we rejected, we can see that it is marked as rejected over here, and the reject reason is seen over here as well. So this is the rejection, and this is the process of the same. You can also reset the particular ticket after rejecting it. So reset to draft, so it will be reset. We can submit it again and do the process again. So this is all about customer RMA order and the process of the same. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you're doing the same. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@technologies.com. Thank you.